Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be changing the seat cover on my ERIDE Pro SS to an Enjoy gripper seat cover. Now, I already did my Surround a long time ago and it came out really perfect. So I do have a little bit of experience with this now. And I have all my tools and I actually got two different color gripper seat covers over here on the bench. Let's check it out. Here I have the one with the gray top and the one with the black top. They both look great, but I think I'm going to put the one with the gray on because it's going to look better on that bike. And I have my stapler to put the cover on the plastic. And you want to use a pneumatic stapler like this because you can really get the staples down into the plastic. And make sure you use one that has like this little end nipple on it because you can really get down into the cracks with the staples. That's key. And I have a flat tip screwdriver to remove the staples, but this little hook pick is actually a lot better because it's really easy to get under the staples and yank them out. Now the staples I'm going to use are the 10mm staples. Probably would be better to use 8s, but I did do the Surround with the 10mm and it came out really great, so I'm just going to use those again. And I have a 4mm hex to remove that plastic seat cover underneath the main frame of the seat. And that will allow me to get to the 4 main bolts. And this 10mm wrench, I can get those off. So let's get the plastic off, get the seat cover off, and get it back here to the bench. I always drop screws every time we do this. So now that I have that plastic cover off, I can get access to the 4 10mm nuts underneath here to remove the seat. So we just use this Phillips, get the rear fender off so I can get access to all the staples around the edge of the seat. It's just 2 screws. And you can see there's a lot of staples that go all the way around, and I'm going to remove them all and take the seat cover off. You got to be careful. They're just half removed. The rest I can get with needle nose. They're sticking out, so I need to be careful when you're pulling this out. Just get the cover out of the way first. Now I can just use these needle nose and get all these staples out. Looking good, man. All the staples are removed. Okay. Now let's get this new seat cover fitted. Load some staples in. Okay. So the idea with these is to hook the one end in, get it nice and tight. And I'll first staple it up top once I know it's lined up right. These wrinkles can come out later when I work it up. I'll just put a few staples in here to kind of keep the position, make sure it's straight still. I won't start tightening it down until I know it's straight as it can be. And now I will just work my way down, but I'll leave a gap as I go down so I can adjust later on if I need to. I don't want to put too many staples in just yet. And of course I'll stretch it as I go and I'll keep checking it to make sure everything's lined up. Once I start stapling it down, it's not going to move. I'm leaving more of a gap between the staples right now because I need to make sure it's going on perfect first. And I'll keep checking it as I'm working my way down to make sure that it's wrinkle free and it's going on great. Looking good. This wrinkle can come out when I add in all the extra staples. I'm going to add a lot of staples all the way around, but first I need to make sure that it's perfect. Perfect as it can be. And then I can do the final stapling on it. So now the rough stapling is done, and I'm just going to go and add all the staples and make sure that it's nice and tight and there's no wrinkles. I could work these wrinkles out, no problem. But if I had a lot of staples in there, it would be a lot more difficult. Oh, it was a double pumper, man. All right, then I'm just gonna, oh! Did I get you? See, that's important for getting down in the corner. If you have like a flat stapler, it's impossible. What do you think? Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
It's gonna look great on the bike. No wrinkles, got a nice stretch. Hopefully it lasts. Wow, that came out really good. Now let's get it back on the bike. So just put this fender on really quick with the Phillips. I think this thing's gonna look awesome, man. These gripper seats really got your butt stuck to the seat, man. You cannot slide off. It's almost impossible. You could be straight up and your butt will just stick right on the seat. Oh, that looks great. All right, now I'll take these 4 nuts and this. Okay. Wow, that looks really good. I actually was gonna put the black one on originally, but he talked me into putting the gray. And I think he was right. It definitely looks better. I wanted this build to be mostly black, but I think this is okay. Just get these hand tight and then I'll use this 10mm socket to get them cranked. Also, we need to get this bike out and test these brakes. Maybe later today we can get this thing out. Test these new Lewis brakes. Now I'll take my 4mm hex, wherever that is, and put this plastic cover back on. Now I won't be torquing these because it's on plastic, and I usually don't torque any bolt that's on plastic. Seems all right. I think she's gonna be good, man. Oh man, it's nice. What do you think? Dope. Yeah, it looks awesome. It looks sick. No wrinkles so far. Maybe after I ride it for a while, we'll see winkles. Maybe after I ride it for a while, I might see wrinkles, but I doubt it. This thing's pretty tight. Yeah, it looks awesome. Wow. Good call on the gray, dude. Check out the comments down below for a chance to win this black seat cover. There's a cop right there. Probably not wise to keep that wheelie going. Cop's still there. Man, these brakes are insane. They're so strong. Learned how to do stoppies today. Got to test the brakes. This gripper seat is nuts. My ass is stuck to this thing like glue. This bike is really shaping up. So all I have left to do is install the Chai battery, 400 amp discharge, should be here in a couple of weeks. And this thing's gonna be a screamer. So I guess that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys are digging the build so far. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more. Peace.